Hey friends, if you wish to remove Windows Defender from a computer, then this is important for you. Without a PowerShell command, you cannot remove Windows Defender. And even if you do, when you try installing security updates, it will be back and you cannot avoid security updates for very long, more than 5 weeks to be practical. So here's the main answer. You cannot remove Windows Defender, but you can disable it. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and then go to Windows security and then go to the virus and threat protection tab. Select manage settings here. You can disable real-time protection and this will disable Windows Defender. I strongly suggest against this, but this is how you can do that and this is how you can turn it back on. Now, why should you not remove Windows Defender? I mean, a lot of people say antivirus software programs are bad, but that is with third parties antivirus software programs. Windows Defender does not cause any issues to your system or any programs, and it has been known to run smoothly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.